Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to slow down YouTube Shorts so you can catch every detail of those fast-paced videos. Let's jump right in. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and play the short you want to slow down. Once the video is playing, tap the like button to save it to your liked videos. Next, tap on the library icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your library, find and open the Liked Videos playlist, where you'll see the YouTube short you just saved. Tap on the short to play it again. While it's playing, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the video screen and tap on it. You should see an option for playback speed. Tap on that. Now, you'll have several speed options. Choose 0.75x for a slightly slower video, 0.5x for half speed, or 0.25x if you want to go really slow. Select the speed that suits you and enjoy watching the short at your chosen pace. And that's it. You've successfully slowed down a YouTube short. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.